Today I am going to show you the beauty of Wayanad Gadbus that is located in Kerala state in India. Wayanad Churam, popularly known as Tamarasheri Churam, connects Kozhikode and Wayanad district of Kerala state in southern India through National Highway 212. The pass begins from Adivaram at the bottom in Kozhikode district and ends at Lekidi at the top in Wayanad district. There are 9 hairpin bends in the pass, numbered from 1 to 9 starting at Adivaram. Each bend takes one to a higher altitude, offering a better view of the picturesque valleys and plains below. After the 9th hairpin on top, there is a viewpoint called Lekidi Viewpoint that offers a beautiful view of the Western Ghat Mountains and the zigzagging roads through which the vehicles comes all the way up the hills. Lekidi, located right after the viewpoint, is a small town where the pass ends and Wayanad district starts. The drive through the pass is a spine-chilling experience. The road has extreme bends and every bend has steep drops. The surrounding area of the road is under thick forest. It takes roughly 30 minutes to drive through the pass and maybe an hour more if you stop by to enjoy the view and have some snack or tea from the small shops that are situated at the roadsides. The road will be covered in mist, especially in the monsoon season, June to October. The mist could unexpectedly start to come down from the hills and cover the area quickly for minutes or sometimes for hours. At times, the mist will be so thick that vehicle would have to stop on the road shoulders if they are not equipped with fog lights. It is very dangerous to drive on the sharp bend during heavy fog, although it makes the entire pass area extremely beautiful. The fog is unpredictable and there are more chances to see it in mornings and evenings. Near to the top of the pass is a ficus tree with a massive steel chain hanging on it. Called the chain tree, it has a story to tell from the colonial eras. The story of the tree begins in colonial era when Wayanad was not connected by roads. Due to the heavy rainfall, the area receives Wayanad was blessed with lots of thick rainforest and only the native tribal people were aware of the trails through the forest. To get the area connected by road, British Viceroy in the 18th century announced a reward for anyone who find a path from Tamarasheri in Kozhikode district to Wayanad. Karindandan was a local chieftain of Paniyas in the Adivaram region with knowledge of every nook and corner of the hillock in the region. A British engineer took the help of Karindandan to explore the paths in the dense forest and with his help found the route to Wayanad. Once the route was found, the engineer took Karindandan to a mountain and showed him dead so that the credit of the route's discovery will remain with the engineer. The British later developed roads through the forest trail and started exploiting the resources in Wayanad. but the road was never kind to the travelers. Many were killed in accidents, and there were frequent attacks from the wild animals as well. Finally, a priest was called to study the cause of problems, and he indicated the presence of Karindandan ghost in the area, which is causing all the disturbance. After a lot of rituals, the priest managed to chain the ghost to a ficus tree, which is now known as the chain tree of Wayanad. The entire length of the pass is about 12 km. There will be a plenty of monkeys throughout the stretch. Although they are harmless, the monkeys won't miss an opportunity to snatch food items from the visitors.